Welcome back to our channel where we explore the latest developments in the world of decentralized finance. In today's video, we'll be taking a deep dive into the development of L7 Dex, a Web3-based decentralized perpetual contract trading platform. We'll analyze their strategy and see how they aim to revolutionize the trading experience while creating value for their users and liquidity providers. L7 Dex is a Web3-based decentralized perpetual contract trading platform that enhances trading experience and reduces transaction costs through the innovative use of a peer-to-peer PvP AMM protocol and proprietary trading aids, fostering a more efficient and fair trading environment. Moreover, the value of the protocol can be shared with users through smart contracts, reducing the margin requirements for traders while increasing the value for liquidity providers. The project carried out a complete development plan at the beginning of the design, and we will deconstruct the project according to its different planning stages. In the L7 project ecosystem, the development plan is divided into 4 stages. The first stage is global gathering to consolidate more global communities. The second stage is to build an economic model to create wealth effects. The third stage is the heavy launch of contract DEX for the platform to generate profits. And the fourth stage is token assetization to align with the industry bull market. And next we will conduct a detailed analysis around these 4 stages. So first stage is the global gathering. In this stage, the project side will bring more global market leaders to understand the L7 Dex. It is reported that market leaders from more than 30 countries have come to understand and communicate, including Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, South Korea, Japan, Vietnam, Philippines. We've got the Indonesia, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan from Asia, Iraq, Iran, Israel, Dubai from the Middle East. We've got Ireland, Luxembourg, Hungary, Italy. We've got Germany, UK, Austria, Spain, Turkey, Switzerland, Czech Republic from Europe, and Australia. Cameroon, Kenya from Africa, and the Russian community have participated. With this being said, it is expected that in the following months, communities from more than 60 countries will jointly participate in the preaching. From this, it can be seen that L7 Dex is committed to building a global community. The Dex platform itself has achieved decentralization, and the community is of great significance to the development of Web3 projects. The project team is well aware of this, so the first step is to expand the community globally, which can be said to hit the key points of Web3 project development. The second stage is the one with an economic model. This stage can allow more early participants to quickly enjoy the wealth effect, and it can quickly gain 1 million+ users globally. In the third stage, it is expected that the number of community users will reach over 100,000 in about 4 months, and the platform will launch the contract DEX product. And as long as users carry out contract transactions, the platform will profit from transaction fees and insurance fees. And furthermore, NFTs in L7 Dex will serve as the rights of past cards. The higher the level of NFTs, the lower the transaction fee in L7 Dex will be, which will automatically, of course, attract more users. In addition, L7 Dex cooperates with professional contract analysis to attract more real users to the platform. As long as the users of the node's own community participate in contract transactions, the node can receive dividends from contract transaction fees. Therefore, the profit of L7 Dex is very clear, and as long as there are users trading, the platform will of course profit. And besides profit, liquidity is a significant issue as well. So how will L7 Dex solve the liquidity problem? I believe that fourth stage has the answer, so let's continue. In the fourth stage, the total assurance of L7 Dex's platform currency, LSD, is 210 million. In the later stage, the platform currency will be repurchased and destroyed through the profits of contract transaction fees until it is destroyed to 21 million. During the early mining stage, since the secondary market has not started, LSD can only be obtained through the collateralization of the platform's stablecoin LUSD. There are no coins available off-site, and it cannot be sold to the secondary market. Keep in mind that it can only be exited by exchanging for USDT, and therefore the price of LSD is rising in the early stage. Secondly, when the number of community users reaches 300,000 plus in about 6 months, L7 Dex will introduce the platform currency LSD to the secondary market at this stage, taking the lead in opening the USDT LSD trading pair and simultaneously adding a liquidity pool. So how can the whole pool quickly increase in volume, you may wonder? Well, there are two solutions. After about 6 months of development, the project has allowed many community users to make profits, and when the community nodes have made a lot of money, they're willing to take a small part of the funds to add to the pool, because the longer the project develops, the higher everyone's profits will be. For new users seeing the upward trend and that adding to the pool can bring profits, they will take the initiative to learn about and participate in this project. When he uses the USDT LSD trading pair to add to the pool, the exchange will give LP token, and staking LP token can produce another new token. So when the new token pool is deep and the token price is still rising, there will definitely be more people to add to the pool. And through these two methods we just explained, L7 Dex's pool can quickly accumulate. It is expected to easily reach a one-sided 30 million USD. That is a double-sided 60 million USD pool. And after solving the liquidity problem, next thing would be to solve the problem of continuously rising coin prices. Now, regarding this issue, they have a top-level view to share with everyone, referring to the development path of ETH and BNB, how to use the effect brought by ICO and IEO to make the platform currency take off quickly and steadily. And in the view of this, L7 Dex will start fundraising services based on the L7 Dex platform in the future. And after the business team investment and team's research, a large number of high-quality projects will be linked in the later stage to start the project's initial fundraising phase on the L7 Dex platform. L7 Dex will also provide these projects with operations, brands, technology, and market support. And if these projects want to develop and raise funds, they need to form trading pairs with L7 Dex's platform currency known as LSD. Likewise, users need to hold LSD in order to participate in more blue chip project investments, and when these projects want to exit in the end, they need to first exchange for LSD and then exchange for USDT. In the whole process, as long as a large number of projects form trading pairs with LSD, then the takeoff of LSD is imminent. In the coming 2024 and 2025, L7 Dex users will have the opportunity to seize the growth dividends of a large number of blue chip projects and thus obtain great wealth. L7 Dex quickly accumulates users and traffic in the early stage through the global community and with its economic model. The contract Dex goes online in the middle stage and earns more profit through transaction fees and insurance fees. In the later stage, it shapes a token assetization platform that's based on the Web3. And before the new bull market cycle comes, participating in the co-building through L7 Dex innovative mechanism will have the opportunity to gain super dividends doubled by the bull market.